IdeaPad Slim 5i 12th Gen Intel i5. Processor 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U processor. Display type 39.62 cms, 15.6 FHD, 1920 by 1080 IPS. Memory 16 GB soldered DDR4 3200 MHz hard drive 512 GB SSD M.2 PCIe Gen 4 quarters. The IdeaPad 5i Gen 7 15 inches Intel laptop delivers productivity and creativity with 12th generation processors, up to NVIDIA GeForce discrete graphics, and dual-channel memory. Smart Power allows you to switch between quiet, balance, and performance modes so you can stay cool under pressure. The IdeaPad 5i Gen 7 laptop delivers all-day battery life. When running low on the go, Rapid Charge Boost delivers extra battery power with a quick charge. Fast and stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mean you can always be connected to friends and colleagues. A full suite of port options extends your access to power, data transfer, and display output. Enjoy movies and music with the expansive display and user-facing speakers. The vivid, high-resolution display offers a wider color gamut and TÜV certification for reduced eye strains. And the Dolby-certified front-facing speakers bring room-filling audio to your media experience. The thin and light premium design delivers surprising military-grade durability. The optional all-aluminum alloy chassis is crafted with engineering precision for strength and lightness. Diamond-cut edges bring elegant sophistication that turns heads wherever you go. Ports 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1x USB 3.2 General 1, always on, 2x USB circa 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI 1.4b, 1x card reader, headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5 mm.